Well, it's a second straight day of record highs coming in for the Indian gold and crude prices here. The crude prices especially are now trading on a higher level. You have seen nearly 3% of gains coming in for the international markets yesterday, nearly 2.5% up in the international markets yet again. And while it's an 18-month highs onto that one, on estimates that perhaps US, UK and France could be contemplating a military action against Syria is something that really is taking premium on the higher prices here. In the Indian markets, after 8% of gains yesterday, 4.5% of again up coming in on your screens for the crude prices. Ditto is the case with gold as well. The geopolitical concerns, the high crude prices, the inflation concerns coming back, investment demand on the higher side, and some central banks in the world adding gold in their reserves is something that is helping this commodity also trading on the higher side. So 1427, 1428 in case of the international markets. The Indian markets yet again trading at a record highs in this space as well. Silver prices also have seen a very strong rebound, mostly because of the rupee depreciation. You are looking at a 6-month highs coming in for that space as well. The base metal prices, while are trading very mixed in the international markets, flat to decline, but the Indian markets have seen a continued gain coming in for this space as well. You are looking at 500 plus kind of levels now for the copper prices on MCX. Let's get in then. Vandana Bharti from SMC, and she joins us live on the show for her strategies on all of those commodities. Vandana, hi, welcome. Let's start with gold first, and all-time highs. How would you want to trade that?
Yeah, from here again we are expecting a new record high in gold prices because geopolitical tension is here, so we can expect some more geopolitical premium for gold as well as crude. And here rupee is here, and we are not expecting any relief in rupee depreciation, so expect a 70 level. It's just a matter of time, and we can see a range of around 35,000 to 35,500 for gold in Indian market. But yes, the story is not so different in international market because here there also we have seen that gold has reached the mark of $1,400. My next target for gold in international market in COMEX is $1,440 there. But yes, if we talk about the monthly return of gold in international market, it is only of 6.5% in COMEX, but here in India it is 22% in August so far. So yes, Indian rupee is doing miracle in Indian market, and it is giving more lucrative return to the Indian investors. But yes, 35,500 should be the next target for gold in Indian market.
Vandana, how would you look at the crude prices now? Because this is one place which is also gaining much faster on the higher side. Would you say it's overbought, but having the momentum that we have on the higher side, still some more gains left?
What I'm expecting that there should be more gain in crude prices because Syria problem is there, dollar problem is there. In India we can see 7,800 to 7,850 mark, or if we talk about a week time, I can expect the level of 8,000 in Indian market because geopolitical tension is there, dollar problem is there. So these two are major trigger for crude prices. And if we talk again about the August return, it is more than 20% in Indian market. So yes, I would like to extend my last week target, and I should go for 78.50 level for MCX crude.